In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a bill of materials, often referred as the BOM. BOM is a crucial master data element in production planning. The BOM lists all the components and their quantities required to produce a product. If we were looking at a recipe to cook something, the bill of the materials would be equivalent to the ingredients list of the recipe. We'll learn that the bill of materials is used in SAP for material requirements planning. It helps the system make proposals for ordering the right quantities for production. Once a finished good is produced, the system also uses the BOM to measure consumption. Finally, the bill of materials holds key information for products costing to help determine how much it costs to produce each good. Let's create a bill of materials in the system now using transaction code CS01 and press enter. We're going to create the BOM for our bicycle kit, which is a finished product that we created from our previous video. First, we need to enter the material number, bike kit 100. Next, in our plant field, we'll enter plant MI00. Now we'll click into our BOM usage field and click the match code button to see our options. Because we actually want to produce a finished good, we'll choose one for production. The valid from shows us the date from which we can start using this bill of materials. We'll leave it as is, but we could set this date in the future if needed. Now we'll press enter. The system takes us to our general item overview screen. This is where we add the list of components and how much of each component to add to our bill of materials. Our first field is item category, meaning that component how will be stocked. We'll click the match code button and choose Add stock item, meaning that the component is a material we'll keep in stock. Next, we'll enter our first component. We'll enter material EPAD 1000, which for elbow pad. Now we enter the quantity 2 and press enter. In our second material, again, we'll choose item category L. And for our component, we'll enter material RHMT 1000, which is HAMAT. We'll enter quantity for 1 and press enter. Next, we'll enter our third component. In the item category, again, this is a stock item, so we'll choose item category L. And our component number is the material KPAD 1000 for knee pad. Here in quantity, we'll enter 2 and press enter. We're now entered all the required materials for our bill of materials. We can press save. We got a success message from the system notifying us that our bill of materials is being created. We will now be able to use this bill of materials for MRP, product costing, and measure the consumption of the 3 listed components during the manufacturing of this finished product.